Hey you guys, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just wanted to say thanks for liking this video and subscribing to the channel, and if you haven't done that now, go do it. But you guys, I just want to make a quick little video for you today about all of the free skip tracing websites that I know about, or the top ones. So since I got into doing this, I got my start in off-market real estate transactions, and when you're trying to locate the owner of a property, you have to skip trace them to get their telephone number, or just figure out where they live so you can get a hold of them. And so skip tracing is something that not only have I become very good at over the past couple years, but I've kind of geeked out on. I've always wondered, hey, who has the best data, who has the most accurate reporting, and so on and so forth. And one of the good things for all you guys that are brand new is that like cell phone numbers are now public data. When I was first getting started, you guys, it was so difficult. We had to go through all these manual steps, to go and get data. We didn't have skip tracing services or a prop stream or anything else. We kind of had to do it the old school way. But with that being said, you guys, these are the top 5 free skip tracing websites. Okay, if you need to do a manual single skip, these are the top 5 in order that I would highly suggest you guys using if you guys do not want to pay for data. Now, once you guys get some deals coming in, I highly suggest, highly suggest, okay, you pay for data and then you upload it into a skip tracer and you start doing massive cold calling, or ringless voicemail drops, or whatever your marketing method might be. But with that being said, you guys, not all skip tracing services are equal. Okay, you're going to pay for what you're going to get. And if you want the best data, you're going to have to pay for it. These sites right here are pretty damn good, though. I mean, we're coming up with probably 40-50% accuracy. So if you guys are brand new to this industry, you guys don't have a very big budget or anything like that, these are the websites that I would suggest going to skip trace your data if you don't have the money to pay for it to be done in bulk. But yeah, I know it's Friday. Just wanted to give you guys some value and give you guys these websites to go to. So over the weekend, you guys can be calling people up and closing deals. But if you guys found any value in this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like the video. Down in the comment section, if you have any questions, leave them there. And I will also type out these websites in the description of the video. But other than that, you guys have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.